simple girl from a tiny place, left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold. You've come back home with a story to be told. I watched you leave with a tear in my eye, hope in your heart reaching for the sky. Now you're back with the shine in your eyes, a soul refined amidst the urban lights. From small town streets to the city bright, you came back different like a star in the night. Once we were small, now we're bigger dreams. In this love we're stronger than we've ever been.